Stickman animation videos are popping off on YouTube right now. People are making these really simple videos, pulling in millions of views, and making serious money every month without showing their face. I'm going to show you how to build a whole animated video from start to finish using 100% free AI tools. We're going to let AI handle the hard work, writing the script, making the visuals, turning those pictures into smooth animations, recording a realistic voice, and even setting up your thumbnail and SEO. Stay with me to the end of the video so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is open up ChatGPT. You're going to ask it for 10 video ideas. Just type this and send it. Look through the list, grab whichever topic catches your attention, and copy it.
Next, head over to Claude AI and paste in my Stickman master prompt. You can grab that from the link down in the description. Claude will ask you for 2 quick details: your video topic and how long you want the video to be. Paste in that topic you got from ChatGPT. I will write 1 minute to keep this video fast, and hit send. In just a few seconds, Claude is going to give you the full script, the image prompts for every scene, animation prompts, thumbnail prompts, full YouTube SEO, and YouTube descriptions.
Go over to Pinterest, search Stickman animation image, and download one you like. Now head to Google Flow AI. Upload your Stickman, click on the image, and click on Add to Prompt. Then go back to Claude, grab your first image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. Boom, your first scene is ready. For the rest of the scenes, just keep using the previous image as your reference so your character looks identical in every frame. Copy your first scene image, click on Add to Prompt or Animate, and paste in the scene image prompt and hit Generate. Click on Approve. Do this for all your scenes, and you'll end up with super clean, moving animation clips.
We've used up all the video credits on this account, so here's what we'll do next. First, download and save all the images we've generated. After that, sign out of the current account and log in with a different email. Since each account comes with its own free credits, having multiple email accounts lets us continue creating more videos without waiting. Once we're logged into the new account, upload all the saved images, and we'll pick up right where we left off. Before we continue, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. It really helps push the video to more people, and my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers from this video alone. I know it's a big goal, but I believe we can do it. Now, let's get back to it.
Next, go back to Claude and copy part of your voiceover script. Then head over to Google AI Studio, one of the best free AI voiceover tools available. Select Voice, choose the voice you like, and paste in your script. After that, paste in your voice scene and sample prompts. These prompts help make the AI sound much more natural and human instead of robotic.
If you want the exact prompts I use for my voiceovers, simply comment voice prompts below and I'll send them to you. Once everything is ready, click Run, and Google AI Studio will generate a realistic voiceover for your Stickman video. Repeat the same process for the rest of your script. Now, if you prefer to generate your voiceover scene by scene, go back to Claude and type, "Give me the voiceover scene by scene."
Claude will automatically split your script into separate scenes, just like you can see on my screen. Open up CapCut or whatever video editor you prefer. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline first. Then place your animation clips right on top so the visuals match up with what the voice is saying. Mute the audio on the video clips, throw in some chill background music with the volume turned down low, and generate auto captions so people can read along. Give it a final playthrough, make sure everything aligns, and export it in high quality. Now it's time to create the thumbnail. Go back to Claude and copy the thumbnail prompt. Then open ChatGPT, head over to the Images section, and paste the prompt. Give it a few moments, and boom, your professional-looking thumbnail is ready. Next, go back to Claude one last time and copy the video title, description, and hashtags for your upload. Once you've got everything ready, upload your video to YouTube, add your thumbnail, title, description, and hashtags, and you're good to go. Now, let's watch the final result together.
Your brain lies to you every single day, and you never notice. Here are 10 tricks it plays on you constantly. First, confirmation bias. you only notice facts that agree with what you already believe and ignore the rest. Second, the sunk cost fallacy. You keep watching a bad movie just because you already sat through half of it. Third, negativity bias. One rude comment ruins your whole day, even after 10 compliments. Fourth, decision fatigue. The more choices you make, the worse your later choices become. Fifth, you overestimate how much people notice you. Sixth, you remember the middle of a story worse than the beginning and end. Seventh, you trust things more just because they're familiar. Eighth, you think you're a better driver than average. Statistically impossible for everyone. Ninth, you feel busy equals productive, even when it isn't. And 10th, you believe tomorrow you will have more willpower than...
If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends so they can benefit too. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new AI hacks and tutorials. You don't want to miss out on the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.